Hey, I'm Skylar. To enable voice control on an iPad, all you have to do is hold the home button. On this iPad, however, when I hold the home button, Siri launches, because Siri in iOS 6 on iPad has replaced voice control. But if you've got an iPad 2 or an iPad 1, all you have to do is hold the home button down. So you hold the home button down, and there's voice control. Now, there's another feature called VoiceOver. Let's go over how to access that, because it is pretty important. Tap Settings, and under Settings, swipe down to the bottom, find Accessibility. At the top, tap VoiceOver. If you switch it on, it's going to start reading everything to you. It can be a little bit tricky to learn how to navigate VoiceOver, but if you are vision impaired, it's an ideal way to navigate the operating system. Without it, it would be really difficult because iPad doesn't provide any real haptic feedback. So the only feedback you get from the device is auditory. So if you turn it on, be ready.
Landscape. Home button to the left. VoiceOver on. Settings.
So VoiceOver is describing what's shown on screen. And if I swipe to the left or right, it'll move my cursor.
Accessibility. Back button. VoiceOver. Heading. VoiceOver. On. Double tap to toggle setting. VoiceOver off.
There you go. So if you follow those steps, you'll have a pretty good idea of how to control VoiceOver enough to learn how to use it. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.